Welcome, little linguists. Get ready to travel to Italy without leaving your seat. Today, we'll have fun guessing yummy Italian treats and dishes with a few playful riddles. Ready to say ciao to adventure and taste the magic of Italy? Let's begin.
I'm long and thin or curly too, eat me with sauce. What am I? Pasta.
Pasta.
I'm soft and sweet, in a cone or a cup in many flavors, kids eat me up. What am I? Ice cream.
Gelato.
I'm small and round. My name means little rice. Deep fried and tasty. I'm oh so nice. What am I? Arancini. It is Italian rice ball.
Arancini.
I'm a golden stick, crunchy outside. I taste so great when dipped or fried. What am I? Breadstick.
Grissini.
I'm layered and creamy, with coffee inside, a famous dessert. Take a bite with pride. What am I? Tiramisu. An Italian dessert.
Tiramisu.
I'm a small round fruit, purple or green. Squish me for juice, I taste so sweet. What am I? A grape.
Uva.
I'm a hard salty cheese sprinkled on pasta with such ease. What am I? Parmesan.
Parmigiano Reggiano.
I'm oval and green, sometimes black too. I'm small but tasty. Add me to stew. What am I? An olive. I'm small and sweet. In chocolate I hide. I'm a hazelnut treat. Take a bite inside. What am I? A Ferrero Rocher.
Ferrero Rocher.
I'm round and red, juicy and sweet. Squeeze me for juice. I'm a fun treat. What am I? An orange.
Arancia.
I'm soft and cheesy. I'm pizza's best friend. What am I?
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella.
Great job with the Italian Food Riddle Game. See you in our other riddle videos. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support our small channel.